belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts.
Hey y'all, so thank you so much for tuning into my review on this particular unit called Beach Babe. And this is part of Outre's new Converti cap unit. And it's basically like a one wig that you can wear in a million ways. And she's kind of like a half wig, but the thing about these units is that they put less hair up here in the front, so it's not so bulky, and therefore it's flatter. So if you want to do like a half up, half down, or put it all in a ponytail in the back, it's not going to be all bulky like a typical half wig is. So she does come with 4 combs. There's a comb in the front and in the back, and then there's 2 on each side of your head. And it also has a drawstring, so you can make it really tight if you need to. So it should be, it should fit a lot of different head sizes. I do have her in the color 1B. And I really like this unit a lot. I think she just looks very effortless. Like, all you have to do is just put it down your baby hairs, which is what I did, and then slide her on. Right now at this point, I'm not wearing a headband because I really don't like how I look in headbands. So I just kind of pushed out a little of my hair around the edge of the actual wig. Yeah, she comes in a lot of different styles. So this is like the little brochure that comes in the package for you. This particular unit is Beach Babe, and that's what she looks like on the stock card. And as you can see, this unit looks nothing at all like what they have on the little picture here. So you really can't go off of the pictures on the stock. And she does come in a lot of different colors. I'm just going to show you right here. I think she'll be really pretty in any color. I kind of want to try like the blondes a little bit because I love curly big blonde hair. And she's not heat safe, so don't try to put any heating tools on her. But yeah, so this is really a convenient wig. She's affordable. You don't have to worry about laying down the lace and doing a blow dry with the freeze spray. Literally, you can just throw this wig on and, you know, put out your little edges or whatever, and that's it, and go. And you know what? You're gonna look fabulous. So yeah, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and drop links down below in the description box, as well as the price of what I paid for her. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next one.